Oh, yeah. Yeah, you do. Hey, camera's on, guys.
This tank is very heavy.
I know, it's steel. Camera, bud. Did you swap the doors out? Okay. All right, medics, round 1.
You want this video, Tony?
The what?
You want that?
I'm gonna keep it there. Keep it there for show.
This might not be empty because I saw it at first.
Did it puncture?
It's punctured, but.
Then it's empty.
How'd you get a splitter?
A what?
A splitter.
From the plywood.
Where? Finger?
Yeah, my thumb on the side of my thumb. I'm gonna look and see if I can dig it out. Do you have tweezers with you by chance?
He said he's gonna kill him.
Who?
Wait, I have needle.
Hey guys!
Hi! You're on our team?
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, you do have our gun? Okay.
I have needle nose pliers.
You do? Oh, pliers, not tweezers.
If you go down, the empty tags are like up.
Yes. Yep, it's just like scalps, but now you need the medic to do the 10 count
I want
for
to
you.
play PGT because I win all the time. Not really, I just knife and sword. Sorry.
So in other words, I don't want to let you get, that's a SMP. Yeah, no. No, leave it. I like it.
I had an EOTech that got shot and then got trapped on the
Bottom
lever
part?
to get the thing out, and I had it there for like 4 months.
What is that?
Oh shit! I didn't realize that's how we were starting. Keep going. Unicorn guy went way ahead.
This music is epic!
It is! Is this Pirates of the Caribbean? It is! Someone's in the coffee house.
Logan, where you at?
He's up here.
Oh, you're all the way up there? Yeah. There you are.
Yo!
Hey!
Go ahead, Aiden. What are they shooting at you from?
I'm gonna go that way to the guy that's side, so somebody come here.
Alright, I got you. Ready? Go. What are you seeing, George? George! On me. George, come here. I'm going across. Ready? Cover me, I'm going across. Oh, hit! Need a medic! Need a medic, need a medic. You're good here. You gotta count to 10.
You got a good team.
We're We're on the same team.
No, we're. Oh shit, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm on the enemy
so
team.
sorry.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Ah, hit! That doesn't count. Need a medic! Sorry. Shit! Medic! Medic! Ah. Pistol?
Your pistol?
Yeah.
I don't have a pistol.
No?
I've only got mine.
Okay.
Nobody turned one into me.
No one did? Alright, one of my guys probably grabbed it then.
Who's in the middle of the field?
Yeah, like literally like right as I was running from
what type
here.
of pistol is it?
Beretta M9.
Alright, I'll look around.
KWA. I ran from here over to there and it fell somewhere in the between there. I think this is it. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a cert book for this thing. I'm done playing with this shit. I'm gonna go Shazam this song real quick. I like this song. Oh, that was so epic. No, I didn't get to my phone in time. Actually, while I'm out here, let me see if I can see the splinter. You hit it. Did you get it? I think you might have got it. This is sensitive. I think you got it. Thank you.
I saw something pop up.
I think you got it. Sure. If not, we'll find out.
I like this.
Huh?
It's too dark.
That's why you need to get that helmet mount on your helmet. Bring your helmet to my house. And put the helmet on it tonight. Alright, we're going. Let's go. Let's get back out there.
Wait, second round?
Yeah, round 2. That was cool.
cap? Sure, we'll see if that works.
A high capacity clip-a-zine.
I couldn't shoot the one guy who was rampaging over there because he was hiding behind teammates and I didn't want to hit them.
That's okay.
Rocky's here now.
Huh?
Rocky is here, right?
No, he's not here. He's not coming. Nope. Nice.
He just showed up. He was watching the videos.
Mm-hmm.
When you're playing scout versus
Somebody is.
halfway across the floor.
Rocky! No way.
Yeah, that's him.
Rocky! My man! Bro! I love you, bro. You're awesome. Alright, let's go kill this for Rocky.
Jamie, when we go together?
No. Am I on?
You are still going.
Scheiße.